We're back to the Earth Day project, and there's one thing I decided to do that before I put the layers, the padding layers on, and that is to extend the latex foam so that it curves over the back rail and makes a nice smooth top line. And also I'm going to show you a little bit about how I filled in the sides here. So one of the things about latex foam is that it has these holes in it that are part of the manufacturing process. And sometimes you get the holes coming on the edge of your project, and it causes it to seem like or act as if there is less foam in that area and that it's a little bit short. So what I've done here is I've added just a tiny bit so that this, when I curve it over, will not have, like if this was too short, you'd have the wood kind of showing around your, against your edge here. So I've added that little bit. That's a way that you can alleviate that problem. This is that gauzy fabric that I was showing you that can be used as a backing on the wool. I've glued it on to the foam, and so it's on there pretty tight. And it's a good way, it's a really nice way to make a smooth finish when you're doing a repair job like this. So you can see how I've added this whole piece here. It was flush with the top rail, and I've added this piece. And I've made my cut so that there's not a line of holes really close to the edge. So what I'm going to do is curve it down, and it just comes right to the edge. I'm going to tack it into place and just go along the edge. And you always work from the center outward in any upholstery. You can see how this top line is looking pretty straight here. When I bring the sides around, the latex will not overlap the sides of the post, but I have added to the latex here to allow it to come right to the edge. You're looking to create a smooth, continuous surface from the front to the side. So I'm tucking that bottom part of that latex in so the top edge of the latex tucks right over so it's smooth. I will go back and staple this around to the back. I'll finish staple the back to finish off this edge. Okay, just to show you the wrap job all finished. And one thing I forgot to mention was this gauze is pretty thin, and muslin probably actually works better. But this gives you sort of transparent view of how the latex is folded under and wrapped around. And you can see how smooth the edges and the top turned out. So that's a wrap for the latex. Thanks so much for watching. If this video has been helpful, be sure to subscribe, and if you have any questions, post them in the comments below.